Okay, we're going in. Going in. There's my Sherry Lou. Sherry Lou, you're in the video. I'm gonna send you to the Philippines.
Hi.
Here you go. That's the Sienna. That's the Odyssey. Okay. These are my girls. Say hi.
Hi.
This is for the Philippines.
Hi, Philippines. Hi, Philippines.
Okay. This is
Hi,
the garage.
Nai. Hi, Nai.
See, did you hear that?
Hi, Daddy.
Okay. And this is the garage. That's my bike. Very nice bike. And this is the garage. I made it like a extra living room. So going in. Now looking back, that's the laundry. That's the sofa. That's the outside. And again, say Charlie.